Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever noticed how your tech stocks seem to move like a roller coaster, while your other investments stay relatively calm? Today, we are going to explore exactly why technology companies are so volatile compared to the rest of the market. We will look at growth expectations, how these companies are valued, and the risks that drive those wild price swings. First, let us define what we actually mean by volatility. In simple terms, volatility measures how much and how quickly a stock's price moves up and down. High volatility means the price changes drastically in a short period. As you can see in this comparison, stable industries like utilities move slowly, but tech stocks tend to have much larger daily swings. The biggest reason for this movement is how we value these companies. A traditional business, like a grocery store, is valued based on the profit it makes today. But a tech company? It is valued on what investors think it will earn 10 years from now. We are buying a piece of the future, not just the present. Because we are looking so far into the future, there is a massive amount of uncertainty. Predicting the world 10 years from now is incredibly difficult. A small piece of news today might not change a company's current earnings, but it can completely change our belief in its future dominance, causing the stock price to react violently. Another major factor is interest rates. Tech companies often borrow money to fund their rapid growth. When interest rates rise, borrowing becomes expensive, and the value of those future profits is mathematically worth less today. This is why you often see tech stocks crash when central banks announce rate hikes. The technology sector moves at lightning speed. This is the cycle of innovation and disruption. A company might have a breakthrough today and see its stock soar, but 6 months later, a competitor might copy it or do it better. In tech, today's winner can become obsolete very quickly, adding to the risk. We cannot ignore the human element. Tech stocks are driven heavily by market sentiment. When times are good, fear of missing out, or FOMO, drives prices to irrational highs. But when panic sets in, investors sell off just as aggressively. The emotions of the market are amplified in this sector. Tech is unique because of scalability. Software costs almost nothing to replicate. This means if a product is a hit, profits can grow exponentially. But the reverse is also true. If users leave, revenue can collapse instantly because there are no factories or physical assets to fall back on. Finally, there are external risks. Tech giants often face scrutiny from governments. New regulations on privacy or antitrust laws can threaten entire business models overnight. Additionally, global supply chain issues, like chip shortages, can halt production, creating sudden drops in value. To wrap up, tech stocks are volatile because their value is tied to the distant future, making them sensitive to interest rates and news. They operate in a high-speed, emotional market where innovation is constant and competition is fierce. Understanding these factors can help you stay calm during the next market swing. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.